Here we divide 213 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down another number, this 1, and we remove this 0. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down another number, this 3, and we take here 0. So now it became 13. So 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take here 0. So now it became 10 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 213 divided by 2 is 106 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.